Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews. Here's our in-depth look at the DNAfit Atom DNA Test Kit, exploring its usage, experience, and overall value. Find links to the product and additional details in the description below. DNAfit's Atom DNA Test Kit offers a comprehensive analysis designed to deliver personalized insights into your health, fitness, and lifestyle, all based on your unique genetic profile. This kit is perfect for those seeking to optimize their wellness routines, gain a deeper understanding of their genetic predispositions, and develop tailored plans for exercise, nutrition, and stress management. The process is remarkably simple. After ordering the kit, you'll collect a saliva sample using a provided swab and send it back to the DNAfit lab. Once your results are processed, DNAfit provides an intuitive online platform where you can access your comprehensive reports. Among its standout features are personalized fitness insights. These include your genetic potential for endurance or power-based activities, your recovery speed, and even your risk of injury. On the nutrition side, the test reveals how your body processes various nutrients, your sensitivity to carbohydrates and fats, and any predispositions to intolerances like gluten or lactose. A unique and valuable aspect of DNAfit is its wellness coaching feature. This service connects users with qualified experts who can help interpret the results and provide guidance on how to apply these insights to your everyday life. Furthermore, the platform offers customized meal plans and workout recommendations tailored to your DNA, simplifying the process of turning genetic information into practical action steps. For individuals focused on stress management, DNAfit delivers insights into genetic predispositions to stress and offers strategies to improve resilience. Whether you're a dedicated fitness enthusiast, a competitive athlete, or simply someone looking to enhance their health through a science-backed, personalized approach, DNAfit offers valuable tools. It's important to remember that while the insights provided by DNAfit are detailed and informative, they should be viewed as guidance, not definitive medical advice. If you're seeking ancestry information, you might want to explore additional services, as DNAfit's focus is solely on health and wellness. In summary, DNAfit proves a powerful tool for those looking to take a data-driven approach to their fitness and nutrition. With its actionable insights, personalized coaching options, and user-friendly platform, it empowers you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Check out the links in the description to learn more and determine if DNAfit is the right choice for your wellness journey.